Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. This is Mr. TechFox and today I'll guide you on how to change the ringtone on your Android device. Customizing your ringtone lets you give your phone a personal touch. Let me show you how to do it step by step. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel because your one subscribe motivates me a lot. Alright, first open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon or finding the app on your home screen. And here we have to click on Sounds and Vibration or Sounds. It usually depends on your phone model. Now we have to look for the ringtone option. And if we scroll down here, we'll see an option Ringtone. Click on that. And now you will see a list of pre-installed ringtones that come with your phone. Tap on any ringtone to preview it. On the other hand, if you want to use a custom ringtone, then click on this. And from here, you can choose ringtone from your phone. You can also set individual ringtone for individual SIM. So this is for SIM 1. And now if you want set a different ringtone for your SIM 2, then you have to click on here and you can select them from here. And that's very simple. And that's it. Your new ringtone is now set and we'll hear it the next time someone calls you. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and thanks for watching and Allah Hafiz.